Revive your hardwood floors with style and precision. Elite Floor Care is here to turn your dreams into reality. Experience the joy of stunning hardwood floors. Contact Elite Floor Care today for a free consultation. Guys, make sure if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like and comment and share this video, tag your friends. Greatly helps a locally owned and operated business. And carpet cleaners, tile and grout cleaners, stone cleaners, any small business owner, if you are looking to add on a very profitable niche service, check the comments below. I offer a paid private hardwood group where I actually teach step-by-step the fundamentals of hardwood maintenance, such as clean and buff, screen and coat, wax removals, and much more. Check the comments or stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's jump into the video. All right, guys, so we started out with a pre-finished Bruce red oak hardwood floor, sanded it all the way down, and you can see what we have here is just that raw floor. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and tape off all of the baseboards to make sure we're not pushing stain back into it. Our next step is to vacuum, and you can see I'm having way too much fun in the vacuum and doing a little Michael Jackson moonwalk, but client wasn't home. You always gotta have fun. All right, guys, so we officially got this stain going down. So we put gun stock is the color on these floors, guys. This is on red oak, Bruce. So these were actually Bruce site finished floors. Bruce pre-finished floors. Client wanted them sanded down. They're doing some renovations in here. Guys, you can see the stain going down now, how beautiful it is compared to this, man. It turned out to be a really good color. I wasn't a huge fan of the Bruce just from looking at it, but now that it's actually on these floors, man, it is a beautiful color. So we're gonna be doing this bathroom, hallway, and this, not really a hallway, small hall room, and then the living area here. So we're gonna be doing the entirety of it. This was a full sand and refinish. My guys came in here, did the sanding Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday, and so I'm in here putting the stain. Gonna be putting the sealer on and all the top coats of polyurethane. But man, they are coming out good, and these floors are gonna look beautiful. Really quickly, guys, just had to show you a close-up of these hardwood floors. Guys, there's a lot of artistry and talent that goes into full sand and refinishes. The sanding team killed it on this job. I was very proud. These floors looked so good, and the stain looked so incredible going down on these floors. It really brought out the wood grain and just made them look so beautiful. So I had to get a close-up to show you guys and make you appreciate a little bit just how much artistry goes into refinishing floors to this level. All right, guys, so we're using a lambskin wool applicator for this, and you can see I just got a little bit on the floor. And everyone's gonna have their different methods of doing it. I kind of take a few spots and just kind of wring it out, and then I'm gonna work this in. Everybody does it different, man. I don't think there's any one right or wrong way. Well, actually, no, there's a wrong way to do it, definitely, but several different ways to do it correctly. And we are putting on really heavy right now. Man, it's starting to look good. Wow. Man, shout out to my sanding guys, man. They do an incredible job, man. If you just look down through here, you don't see an imperfection in the floor, guys. Wow. So we officially got the stain on the floor. It has dried. So what we're gonna go through and do now is go ahead and put a sealer on the floor. What that sealer is gonna do is protect the floor from water damage, pet damage, spills, drinks, food, anything like that, while still allowing the floor to contract and expand with relative humidity changes. But we're gonna go ahead and put that on and stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the sealer on the floor. You guys are gonna see a lot of, these are called lap marks. That's just where the wood is soaking in the sealer. And once we put the succeeding coats on here, it will smoothen out. But man, woo! Man, these floors look good. If I do say so myself, I am biased to the fact. But anyway, guys, we're gonna jump out of here, come back. Some of the some of the shipment that we ordered of product has not arrived yet. So we're gonna be coming back in 2 days to put the succeeding coats on here, guys. And I think they're gonna turn out incredible. All right, guys, before we get too far into the video, what we're gonna do now, we're putting our top coats on. And what we use is all water-based products because the VOCs in them are not that of oil-based polyurethane. So the fumes aren't as toxic and as strong, so the client can actually stay in the house. That's one of the benefits of our service and why we charge a little bit more than other companies, because we are providing that value of them not having to leave the home. But we also love the look of a rich oil-based finish. So what we have here is an additive that we're going to actually put in the water-based finish to give the rich look of an oil-based finish without having to worry about the toxicity of the fumes. So we're just going to add that directly in. We're going to put about 2 ounces into each gallon. Again, just to give those floors a little bit of a color, a little bit of a warmth, and give it that rich, warm look of the oil-based finish without having to worry about it ambering and yellowing over time. That's one of the negative things about an oil-based finish, is that it will continue to amber and yellow as time goes on and look like crap, guys. So we prefer not to use the oil-based finish. We stick with high quality water-based finishes at all costs and provide our clients with the best and only the best at Elite Floor Care. Anyway, guys, we've got that mixed up. We're gonna go ahead and shake those, let those sit, and go ahead and start rolling. So viewer, I often get asked what is my favorite part of the job, and no doubt has to be when you're actually rolling the polyurethane on the floor. There's something about it that is just so calming and invigorating, getting to listen to the ASMR, the sounds of that roller rolling against the hardwood floor, and the satisfaction from seeing the warmth that it brings to the floor and really makes that wood grain pop. So this is hands down my favorite part of the job, is rolling the polyurethane and recording it and allowing you guys to enjoy the enjoyment that I get and see why I enjoy it. All right, guys, the third coat has been rolled. We're gonna take another 2 hours. You can see it's drying right now. We're gonna come back. We're gonna roll the 4th and final coat on these floors, and guys, they're looking better and better with each and every coat. Guys, take a close look at these fully transformed floors. We like to get up close and personal to show we have no imperfections in our finish. We have a very smooth looking plank, and guys, look how rich the grain is. This project turned out stellar, and we wanted to get up close and personal to show you guys the final results of this job, and they speak for themselves, guys. Guys, this is gonna wrap up the video. If you liked the video, please put a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified, and click the video in the top right to learn more about the private hardwood class. See you guys in the next one.